Hi everybody, welcome back to Cook, Live, Love. Well, I've got a quick little trick for you in your Thermomix this morning. I'm going to make brown sugar in my Thermomix. Now, you might already know that you only need to have one type of sugar in your pantry when you've got a Thermomix, because from basic white sugar or raw sugar, you can make caster sugar in 3 seconds, or you can make icing sugar in 10 seconds, 10 to 20 seconds to make a nice fine icing sugar from plain old white flour or raw flour. Now, you might already know that, but did you know you can also make brown sugar? To be honest, I didn't know that until just recently. So here goes. I'm going to weigh in, 100 to 200 grams of white sugar, and you can use raw sugar here as well. And then pop in a tablespoon or 2, depending on how much sugar you've got, of molasses. That looks about right. Okay, so let's give that a bit of a spin on speed 8. For just a few seconds. And let's have a look at what we've got. We've got some beautiful brown sugar, but I actually think it might need a little bit more molasses because it's not clumping together like the other stuff. So let's pop in another tablespoon and a little bit more. Let's just keep it at about 6. That's looking heaps better. Okay, so next time you're caught without any brown sugar, you can make it yourself with a little bit of white or raw sugar and 1 to 2 tablespoons of molasses. How cool is that? Now, for this and many more handy tips to fill your pantry and fridge full of Thermomix made goodies, you need to come to one of my pantry and fridge staple classes. I'm going to include the link to the upcoming classes with this post, and I'm going to share with you 2 hours of a class packed full of ideas that are going to have you not buying stuff in the stores anymore, and you're going to be saving a lot of money and a lot of additives and preservatives in your diet by making it yourself. Not to mention the warm fuzzy feeling you get inside by making your own goodies in your Thermomix. So there you go, brown sugar made in your Thermomix. Hope that helps. Bye.